How to make $1 million in 90 days. It's actually very simple. You just first have to understand how much money you have to make daily to make $1 million in 90 days, which is 1 million divided by 90, which ends up being $11,111.11. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to need to sell one thing that makes you $1,100 a sell. Now, there's a few different ways you can go about this. My personal favorite is you go into your garage and you sit down and you pull out your phone, because you can make a ton of money on your phone. You go onto your phone, you type in to Alibaba or AliExpress, you type in $1,100 and 100. Okay, you make an alliance with a really rich person. You call him or her daddy. Doesn't matter, gender neutral. Whatever that person identifies as, you just call them daddy and you say, hey, will you give me $1,100 every day for the next 90 days?